Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be what I'm taking to hospital with me. At first I was actually going to take my suitcase, but now I'm just figuring that maybe I'm best off just putting stuff in a bag. So that's what I'm going to do today. So the bag I'm taking is just a simple shopping bag really. Yeah, My Little Pony one. So I'm going to start off by seeing what's in here. There may be some stuff that I still need to pack, to be honest, but I'm just going to see what I packed in here the first time round, and yeah, we're just going to put it into the bag basically. So the first thing that I'm going to be putting in my bag, that's just a lock for my suitcase. But the first thing that I am going to be putting in my bag is actually a Hello Kitty towel. Yes, I'm childish at heart and I don't care. But I've had this for so many years and it's really, really cute and adorable. And there it says Hello Kitty. So yeah, I can't even remember where I bought this from. I've had it for so many years, as I say. So I can't really recall where I got it. But I've just folded it up like that and I'm going to put this straight into the bottom of the bag, and that is going to open that bag up. Now I am going to pack a mobile phone. This is not charged, but I have put £10 on this phone so I can ring home to my dad to come and pick me up when I've had me after recovering a bit in hospital. So I'm just putting that under the towel right at the bottom of the bag. The next thing that we're going to put in there is going to be my pyjamas. So I have these pyjamas and I did get these off eBay. These was, I think they were £5 for these. So these are the bottoms. Now the hospital did tell me to get some pyjamas that are going to be bigger than what I am, because my stomach is going to swell quite a lot because they're going to pump me up with air inside my stomach so they can look better at stuff. So yeah, so I got these in 2 sizes too big. So after this operation these are certainly going to be no more use to me, but that's okay. So this is the top. They are this is the trousers, sorry. So these are actually Halloween pyjamas, but I wanted them because they're so effing cute. And then they say "Be My Boo" in black glitter. Super adorable. So yeah, I'm hoping I can buy these again once I've lost a load of weight, because I do like these. I might keep the top, but the pants will certainly not fit me once my tummy has gone down. I've tried them on and they just slide off my booty already, so yeah. Then I'm taking a pink face cloth. We've had these for so many years, but I think we did get these from Home Bargains once upon a time. Yeah, I'm just taking a pink one basically, nothing really special. Of course I want a clean bra to come out of hospital in. I'm only in hospital for 2 days. I come out on the 3rd day in hospital. So yeah, I'm just taking a clean bra, not that you needed to see that. It is an old one. So yeah, we need some new ones. I've got some brand new socks right here. I got these from Home Bargain. No, I didn't. I got these from B&M. These was £3.99, I think they were, for 4 pairs. So I've got a plain grey, this one with love hearts, stripes. So yeah, I'm only taking 3. Don't really need 3. 2 will actually do, but I'm just taking another one just in case they want to keep me in a little bit longer. You never know. Then I have got a black dressing gown. I got this off eBay. This cost £10. It fits me a dream. It is a little bit too big, which is great. I'm not bothered about the size of a dressing gown, to be honest. So yeah, I've got that. That's just going to go in there. I'll give you a look inside this bag in a minute. So we have plenty of room in there. That's good. Then I have the belt to the dressing gown. That's going to be important. I have got a pack of 5 knickers. These are in the size 22 to 24. These fit me really, really nice. These was £10 off eBay again. I actually don't need this packaging, but I think I might try and take bit off. So I've just took that off. Yeah, I'm just going to take this so I can put my dirty underwear in there, I guess. So I might as well take this bit out as well. And the place where you can get these on eBay is yours. So your clothing, basically. But yeah, they fit me a dream. They're very, very nice indeed. So, as I say, there's 4 pairs in there. I probably won't need those, but all of those, but I'm taking them just in case. So that's gone in there. Then I have got some slippers. You can get these from, where did I get these from? Home Bargains for £5.99, I think they were. They might have been a bit cheaper. These are a size 5. They fit really nice, very, very comfortable. So yeah, I think I might wear these actually on my way down into hospital and just keep these on basically. But I'm just going to put them in anyway. I have then got, going on to medication, I am then taking my minerals and vitamins. You can get these from Home Bargains for 99p, A to Z. You get 30 tablets in there. These are a must when you have your weight loss surgery. I'll have to have these for the rest of my life. So that's going there. Then I'm going to be taking my, just let me make sure that all of my personal information is hidden on here. I am then taking my citalopram, 20 milligram, so I've got to take that with me. And then I'm taking my Staccato, which, that's there, Staccato. So that's got to go with me, and I think I'm just going to pop that into this beach bag. I might not even take this beach bag actually, I'm going to take this one instead. This one I did get from, where did we get this from? I think we got this from Home Bargains maybe. No, we didn't at all. I got this from the range. Sorry guys. And I think this was £5. I'm not too sure. Can't quite remember. But there is hauls on my channel. So you guys can go check that out. So anyway, I'm just going to bop all of that medication in there like so. Then I have got one of these funky little bobbles just in case I want to put my hair back. And them ones never ever break on me. I've had that bobble for so many years and they just do not break. Then I'm taking a little miniature Colgate toothpaste. I actually got this off the dentist for free. Yeah, so I'm going to take that. I'm going to take my electric toothbrush. It looks a little bit manky right now. So I think I'm actually going to give that a clean up. But yeah, that needs a clean up. That's going to happen. Then I'm taking my purse in case I want to take a little bit of change. I actually got this from Skegness Market. Yeah, there's nothing in there right now, but there will be. So there is that. Let's see. Yeah, there is that anyway. So just in case I want to take a little bit of change, leave that in there. So there's nothing in that zip now. We've just took it all out. So then, obviously, I'm going to need a hairbrush. So I'm going to take this one where the water moves in there. Just really, really cool. Love this hairbrush. Don't know if it's going to fit in there. It will do, because I'm going to force it. Then I'm going to take some hand sanitizer, just because I'm a clean freak, and I have to. A roll-on perfume. Not a must at all, but I would like to smell good in hospital. A lip balm, because for 2 days, I'm not allowed to have anything drink or eat. So, I'm going to have dry lips. So, I'm going to take that. Then I have some body lotion. Is it a body lotion? No. I think it's a body butter, I think. Anyway, we're going to take it. And it smells absolutely gorgeous. And I actually got this from a store that I cannot even bloody think what it's called. Oh, no, I can't think of the store that I got it from, but I got this and the body wash as well. And I've had these for quite a few years now. So, yeah, leave that there. This is holding STs, sanitary towels, just in case. You never know. That can go straight in. I have a body mist. I just want to have a squirt when I'm coming home, basically. It's nice to have a little bit of a fresh up. I don't even know if this is going to fasten. No, it's not, so that one can go in there. With that. Also going to take some dry shampoo, just so I can look a bit more fresher when I'm coming home, basically. So, again, it's not necessary. It's not necessary, we don't really need to take this, but I just want to give my hair a whip over before I come home. I have got a miniature mouthwash in Colgate. I think I got this from Home Bargains. So yeah, about £1 I think it was, something like that. And then I can have a body roll on. So that is that. Then, that's everything that's going in there. I'm not taking any makeup, because it's just not needed. I don't need to take anything fancy like that. Then I have got some letters, so I need to figure out which ones I have to take with me and which ones are not that important. So I'm just going to go through these really, really quick. I'm not going to show you these because they have my address on. So I think this is the wrong one. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I'm going to have a look at some more letters because I do have a lot of letters to do with the hospital that I have to take with me. It could be this one even. Who knows? Yeah, it's definitely not that one anyway. So I really need to get these letters sorted because, yeah, this one's been... So this is the one that's been cancelled, so it's definitely not that. So, yeah, I need to sort out my letters because I've got to have them and take them with me. So that is everything that I'm taking with me to the hospital. This is what the bag is looking like right now. There's still plenty of room in there to put my clothes in that I'll be wearing when I go down. So that's it, guys. That is exactly what I'm taking to the hospital. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you like this video. If you can think of anything that I may have forgotten, I know that I might need a pillow to take with me for on the journey on the way home after my operation, just to press it against my tummy for when I'm coming home. But my dad can bring that when he comes to collect me. I do need my phone charger, but obviously I can't pack that till the last minute, really. So that's it, basically. That's all I can think of to take. But as I say, if you guys can think of anything else, then please do let me know, because I really don't want to forget anything. But that is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell button for more notifications. If you're not but yet part of the Sparkle family, then please do sprinkle some glitter on that subscribe button and become part of our family and enjoy our weight loss journey. And I'll leave it there. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.